Hello. You may have seen information shared recently regarding our deaf space consultations, which are happening right now around Australia. We want to know and understand what deaf space is and what you think about it. So what is deaf space? It's a space where deaf people come to meet and connect. The space where that happens. It could be a permanent physical space, like an office or a home, or it could be a temporary space. For example, if you meet another deaf person on public transport and you make a deaf space in that moment. It involves deaf culture and behaviors. For instance, when you leave an event and you say goodbye to everybody, typically this evolves into the long goodbye, a classic feature of deaf culture. We also shape spaces to suit us. For instance, after entering a room, we may rearrange the chairs into a circular fashion so we can see each other better. Consultations are being held face-to-face around Australia, and if you haven't yet registered, head over to Eventbrite and register. If you are unable to attend a face-to-face event, we are also holding a series of Zoom consultations. The Zoom consultations are occurring throughout February and March. The first is a general workshop on Zoom, and this one will be held in Auslan only, without interpreters. This is happening on the 26th of February, Australian Eastern Standard Time from 6 to 8 p.m. The second workshop is aimed at parents of deaf children. This will be held on the 19th of March from 6 to 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and interpreters will be provided. The third is a general workshop with the community, with Auslan interpreters provided, on the 20th of March from 6 to 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The fourth event is a First Nations Deaf Yarning Circle. This Zoom event will be held on the 24th of March from 6 to 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. To RSVP, head over to Eventbrite and register. You'll receive the Zoom links following your registration. Come along, we'd love to hear what you think because this is important. This is about your space and your culture. See you there.